Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, the Happy Cultivator, and today we're going to be unboxing the Innocheer electronic shooting target. So we're here in Rose's kitchen, and Innocheer sent me this electronic shooting target to go ahead and give you guys an unboxing. Let's just go ahead and take a look at what we got here. So it's an electronic shooting target. It is for your Nerf style dart guns. It has 4 targets on it, it looks like, and keeps your score. You can get this game on Amazon. So let's go ahead and pop the factory seals and see what's inside. Okay, so we got the box open here. Let's go ahead and pull her out and see how it comes. Oh, look at that. It even comes with darts, guys. Really cool. Didn't realize it was going to come with darts. So there are your targets. There you got blue and red darts. Got your little LCD display there. Let's go ahead and pull it out of the bag. So I've pulled it out of the bag. So you have a 1, you got a 2, you got a 3, 4 there. And there's your darts. Darts comes with a screwdriver, probably for the batteries is my guess. So here's your little targets right here. You just flip them up, and then you pop these guys on like so. And you got your on-off switch right there. And yeah, there's your batteries. And let's see if it tells us what type of batteries we need. Okay, so let's go back in the box, and there's the instruction books. So that shows you how it works. It says this target has flashing light accompanied by simulated gunshots and broken glass sound when they are hit down. When all of the 4 targets are shot down, there will be a sound effect of good. When you reach 24 points, there will be a sound effect of very good, and the light will flash. When you reach 60 points, there will be a sound effect of game over with cheering up, and the light will flash. Wow, pretty cool. So there you go. It does take 3 AA batteries. Gives you how the scoring works there. Pretty cool. So what I think I'm going to do is this might actually go up to my nephew, because he is a big Nerf gun guy, and I think he will really like this target. So we'll ship this up to my nephew, and I will give you a review on what he says about it once he's used it. So with that, guys, there you have the unboxing of the Innocheer electronic shooting target. With that, guys, like I always say, keep happy, stay stoned, and Urban Garden.